Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a cute little project to show you guys and a tutorial. It's another cute little teeny mini flip book or a Happy Mail ID to give to a crafty friend, or if you are in a swap group. I shared with you in my last video some of my other cute little mini albums that I'd made, and I just store them in a really a clear container. I'll put the link down below to that video of all of the compilation projects that I had made in the past. And this is another one. It only uses one piece of 6x6 paper to make this cute little mini album. It has some tuck spots and also a top pocket as well. So these are the ones that I had made. This one here, this is probably my first one that I had made a few years back. I did a video tutorial on this mini album. So this one that I'm going to show you is the same, but I just wanted to do another tutorial with you and show you again how to make this mini album, and it's really cute. This one I didn't use a 6x6 paper for this one. It has some extra pages in here and a little envelope, and this has a little flip up in here. But I'll put the link to this video if you want to have a look at this one. But this is the one I want to show you that I had just recently made. It is so cute. The papers that I use for this project is the Garden Party collection. It's a Pebbles paper collection pad. It's probably an older collection, but I do like this one, and I have gone and use a whole heap of these on other projects, but it's the Garden Party paper. Then the embellishments that you'll see in here are also by Pebbles. It's this pack here. I use some of the embellishments in here for this one. But I'm going to show you the inside of this one, and I'm going to show you how to make this as well. This is the handmade flower that I showed you as well in another video with a tutorial. It's a really easy, cute little project. Just using a circle punch or a circle shape. I've got here a little tassel on a fold back clip to hold as a closure that I'd made with a little key charm on it. I'll just show you. I have this clip in my store, and you can choose either the flat back fold back clip or a clasp or a paper clip as the attachment to your charm dangle, and it comes in a yellow tassel with a nice solid pink acrylic bead with a key charm. It's really cute. So I'm going to show the inside. So over here is the side tuck pocket, and it is the front of the page, which I have placed in here just a little simple fold note card where you can add a little note or your information. So that's just a little place to add a little tuck spot for your note. I just embellished that down here, and I'll just open the inside. So this is the inside. I just embellished the pages here. It is a single-sided paper. I also have a kit put together to make this whole album as well, which I'll show you at the end of the tutorial. And over here is the tuck spot, where I've got a cute little heart tag, like a little note card, and I've placed another little cut apart here from that 6x6 collection, and just glued the sides and the bottom to create a little pocket, and place one of these little cut aparts in there. And I think this is such a cute little tag note card with a heart shape. And that's the back, and that just fits in here. And up here is the top pocket, where I've got a small packaging of some post-it shape embellishment, and this is my handmade or divider tab, which I made as a bag topper. I did a tutorial on this as well if you want to have a look and see how you can make your own page tab dividers, and you can use these as your toppers as well for your packaging. I'll also have these post-it shape embellishments in my store very soon. You'll get a pack of these, and then you can use however you like to use them in your projects. But that just fits nicely inside this top pocket. And the next page I made a little flip, like a little flip page with a swivel clasp as the closure for the little flip. And that just flips up, and I've just got some embellishment. But you can also add another little side pocket here if you like, or another tuck spot to add some little tags. So that's just another little interactive page. And this is just a swivel clasp just to keep the flip page closed. So that's that. And then over here I've got a cute little mini vellum pocket on the last page. And then I've just got a little die cut and adhered it with a foam, pop dot just to keep this little flap closed. You just tuck it in like that. And so inside here I've just got some more little cutter parts from the collection as well. I think, I'm not too sure, they're just some cutter parts that I had in my stash. And then I glued the sides here and the back of the envelope to create another little pocket to add some fun tags on the back. So that's just another little spot for you to add some more fun goodies, or again another note. Yeah, just another little spot for you. And this is just the back of the page. I just embellished that. So I'm going to show you how to make this using one piece of 6x6 paper. So grab your 6x6 paper of your choice, and then you want to cut that in half, so you'll get two pieces at 3 inches by 6 inches. And you're going to lay that onto your scoreboard on the 6-inch side, and we're just going to score it at 1 inch and 3.5 inches. And you'll do the same with the other piece as well. Scoring it at 1 inch and 3.5 inches. What we're going to do now, I'll just take that clip so I can show you how it works. You've got here the panel that we've just scored, which is this side here. So your paper's probably going to be single-sided, double-sided. You just decide what you want as your cover. And so this will be the cover, which is your right panel. Then you have this part here, you're going to fold that back. And that will give you the tuck spot that you have here. And then what you can do next, you can corner around your corners if you like, or you can leave it how you like it. But I'll just corner around these now, so that we can see how it looks like in the fold. So you're going to have that, and this becomes your cover. This part here, we're going to bring that back in. So that is then going to look like that, which is this part. Now you're going to have another piece here, which will then be this piece, and that's this part here, which is this one. We're going to decide again if you want to have the pattern showing. So that's how it'll look like here if you want it showing. If not, you're going to have it that way. But we'll have it with this part showing, and I'm going to corner around these corners. And then we're going to fold this back. And that will then adhere to that part like that. It's going to adhere to that. And then this part, we're going to bring this back and then folding that back. And that will give you that top pocket in there. But what we'll do first, we'll take this back out now. Let's just glue this part. So this is the front page with the side tuck pocket. And you're just going to glue it up to that fold line. So this was your first page. Okay, so we've done that. We're going to fold that back. Okay, we're going to turn this over now. We're going to grab this piece that's going to attach to here. So what we're going to do, we'll leave it like that. We're going to put some glue onto this side and also to the bottom. So I'll just move that over. So again, just doing exactly what we did to the front one. Put glue there and to the bottom. And we're going to bring that over and seal that. And that will give you that side tuck pocket on your next page. So it will be this one here. And now what we'll do here, we're just going to close that up, and then we'll bring this over that way. We're going to place glue down, so we're going to put glue along the side here on this fold and along the bottom there, and that will give you that top pocket. Glue is a bit slow coming out of the bottle. Okay, so we'll just bring that back and close that up. You'll see that it'll want to make a pocket when you put your album together. And that's really all there is to that. And that's pretty much done for your album. I'll take this so I can show you. So what you have here is that front side pocket, like this one. When you turn this over, you're going to have this side tuck pocket here, which is the same as this one. And then you should have a top pocket up here. And then turning that over, you'll have your blank pages here, where you have your part where you can add your embellishment and envelope. To do this part here that I've done the flip, what you want to do is you just grab another piece of paper. Let me see. I don't have a paper on me, but I'll show you what to do. This is just a piece of scrap that I have. So if you want to add a little flip like this one, you just grab your piece of paper that's already cut up. You want to just line and make sure it's a little bit shorter in the width of your page, and just fold a little bit over like that, just so you have a little flap. And then you just apply some glue to the inside, and then you adhere it to your page, and then that becomes a little flip. And to make a swivel clasp like this one here, you have to do this before you glue your page together, so you can place the brand on the inside, and then you can close up the pocket. So that's how to make that little flip. But that is how to make this little flip book. And then what you can also do, you can keep adding and stacking more and more pages to your album. So what you do is you could cut up another piece of 6x6 paper, cutting that in half, repeating the same measurements, and then you just adhere another page like you've done here onto the next page, and just repeat that same process and keep folding it over. So you'll get another page like I've done here. I just kept adding more and more of the same fold to the next page like you've done here. So that's how you do that. So you can keep adding more pages. Now for the kit, if you would like to purchase the kit to create this whole album, you get everything but the embellishments that I have embellished in here, which I'll just show you. You will get a random flipbook cover pattern in the pack, so there will be a random paper print, but the kit will be the same. So what you get in the kit, you will get the random piece of your pages. You'll get 2 pages, and they've already been pre-scored, like most of my other kits that I do for you. They've been pre-scored, and then you can use this as a template as well if you want to make more of these projects. I didn't corner around the corners for you, so I left that for you to decide if you want to do that. So that's the cover for your album. You'll also receive 2 of the clear packaging self-seal bags in the kit. So you can get one for your album, and you have another spare one for another album if you want to make that. And you get the white card that goes in the packaging for you. You don't have to use it in a packaging. You can use this and make a tag out of it, or you can use that for another project. You get the little mini envelope, vellum envelope, a little banner like I've got here. One of the handmade flowers that I made to place on the front. You get 2 page tabs to go on the top of your packaging. I'll just put it back like this one. I mean, you don't have to use that as well. You can use this on other projects. That's just included. And the cute little tag with the little love heart attached to the tag. And there is a perforated score line here for you where you fold it. So that's that. And a random print little note card that went like this one that goes in the front. So you get that as well. So there's a fun little kit for you to make as a Happy Mail idea that you'd like to gift to somebody. So I will have this listed in my store. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.